Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello students, today I will explain the magnetic field due to current through a straight conductor. In last topic we have done activity 13.4. So now I am going to explain how a current carrying conductor makes its magnetic field, and we will know the nature of magnetic field with the help of right hand thumb rule. So I will perform an activity. I am having some compass and I will take a straight conductor connected to a adapter of 12 volts. This is the adapter of 12 volts and this is the wire of adapter. The red one is positive and the white one is negative. So let's start this activity. After the activity I will explain the observations and we will come to the conclusion that what is the nature of this magnetic field.
So students, the current is in the upward direction and I have placed 6 compass. When I switch on the current, see the deflection of the compass. We will came to know how right hand thumb rule works. Now the deflection is in the anti-clockwise direction. After switching off, now I reverse the polarity of current. The current now will be in downward direction. After switching on, the direction of magnetic field changes. This is in the clockwise direction. Clockwise. Okay. If I move the compass little further from the wire and switch on it on same polarity, the deflection becomes small. The compass after some time comes to its original position. Again moving away, the deflection here becomes small again. The deflection decreases. The deflection decreases as the radius of the compass increases. Okay. Now if I make them move away further, there is very small deflection. They are far away from that wire. See here, very small deflection. Okay, thank you.
So students, the activity which we have performed just now explains us the magnetic field lines around a straight conductor. So whenever I change the terminals of the battery, if the current is in the downward direction, I apply right hand thumb rule. So the magnetic field is along clockwise direction. ये जो clockwise direction है ये हमें कंपास ने बताई थी कि कंपास है जो वो clockwise direction में move हो रही थी. If I change the direction of the current, here I have taken negative terminal at the lower end and positive at the upper end. Now I have taken negative at the upper end and positive at the lower end. The direction of current I changes. If the direction of I changes, it means that the magnetic field also changes. This is clockwise direction and this is anti-clockwise, again according to right hand thumb rule. Okay. So the first thing that comes in our mind is that B is directly proportional to I. Means where B is the magnetic field, if the magnetic field change if current is changed, or we can say if we increase the voltage of the battery, if we take 6-volt battery, then the field lines will appear like this. And if I take 9-volt battery, the radius of the field line increases. means magnetic field increases. This is the first point. Secondly, B is inversely proportional to R, where R is the radius of these magnetic field lines. If we go away from this field, the radius increases, but the magnetic field decreases, which means if this is a magnet, its region in which its magnetic field can be felt is to some limit. ओके तो इसका जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है कुछ लिमिट में होगा, इसके बाद इसकी लिमिट के बाद इसके एरिया के बाद इसके रीजन के बाहर इसका मैग्नेटिक फील्ड खत्म हो जाएगा. जैसे जैसे रेडियस इंक्रीज करेगा मैग्नेटिक फील्ड डिक्रीज करेगा. ठीक है. और थर्ड पॉइंट जो एनसीईआरटी में नहीं है वो आपको मैं बता देता हूं, डायरेक्टली पोर्शन टू थिकनेस ऑफ द वायर. थिकनेस मीन्स if I take two wires, means if I take a thick wire then I take a thin wire, the magnetic field again increases because of the area of cross section of the wire. Okay, so the magnetic field for this current carrying conductor depends upon three factors: current, radius and thickness. So we combine these three equations, means first two equation mathematically, B is directly proportional to I upon R. Okay, so from the book we conclude that what changes do you observe? We see that the deflection of needle decreases, thus the magnetic field produced by a current carrying conductor decreases as the distance from it increases. If the distance increases, यहाँ पे अगर डिस्टेंस इंक्रीज हो रहा है मींस रेडियस इंक्रीज हो रहा है, तो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड क्या हो रहा है? डिक्रीज हो रहा है. ओके. सेकेंडली, इट इज नोटिस दैट द कंसेंट्रिक सर्कल प्रेजेंटिंग द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड अराउंड द करंट कैरिंग स्ट्रेट कंडक्टर बिकम्स लार्जर एंड लार्जर एज वी मूव अवे फ्रॉम इट. जितना रेडियस ज्यादा होगा उतना मैग्नेटिक फील्ड कम होगा. ओके. Secondly, in fact, if the current is increased, means I increase, the deflection also increases. That means B is directly proportional to I. And in this paragraph or in these lines, B is inversely proportional to R. So we conclude that for a magnetic field for a straight conductor, B is directly proportional to I and inversely proportional to R. Okay. Thank you.